Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will upgrade the SSD from the following PC. This is the old Alienware X51 R1 PC that still uses a hard drive and no SSD. For the processor, it still uses a standard processor, Core i5 with NVIDIA GTX 555, which is very old. So in this video, I will try to upgrade the SSD to slightly increase speed when booting Windows and also when opening applications that are installed on SSD. So the old hard drive will be used for storing video, music, and data. And for the SSD will be used for applications and Windows. Okay, I have to clean the PC first because it hasn't been opened for a long time. Now we have to look at the component inside. What should be prepared? First, we have to find a power cable that can be used. Here I bought a brand of power cable so that it can be used for the SSD that we will install later. Okay, we plug it in first. Now we already have 2 slots of power cable, and now we only need to look for the SATA slot. Now we are looking for the SATA source. The PC is quite old, so the slot is limited. We have to see which slots are available. There is a hard drive slot in use. The other one has a slot for Blu-ray. We just use the Blu-ray slot or DVD. Well, now these 2 cables are available. We just attach it to the SSD. Here I upgrade to Samsung EVO 250GB. It costs around $50. Okay, the cable is installed. Now we pull it again because we have to tidy up the cable to reinstall the Blu-ray disc. In this section, it's a bit tricky because the space inside this PC is narrow, so we have to outsmart it a bit. Okay, let's install the Blu-ray disc. We can attach the SSD to the side with a double tip, or I choose to put it directly like this to make it simpler. And this way, it is also quite solid and doesn't shake because the SSD is so lightweight, so it is not affected. Okay, it is installed now. We will see the speed of restarting Windows using the new SSD. Because it is restarting, it may take more than 20 seconds. But when you turn on the PC for the first time, it can start around 20 to 25 seconds. It's already fast enough compared to using previous hard drive. So if you feel your laptop or computer slow because it's still using an old processor and an old GPU, you can consider upgrading to SSD because it will greatly affect the speed of your PC in opening applications and also restarting PC. It will really help you to speed up the performance of your laptop or PC. Okay, that's all for this video. Don't forget to click thumbs up button if you like this video. subscribe to see other interesting videos, and also click the bell icon so that you are the first to know if there is new video from this channel. See you in the next video.